free lucky spins. You can get yourself a bunch of free lucky spins by redeeming every single one of these Blue Lock rival codes. Blue Lock rival codes. The new update, Charles. Have you seen Charles? Look at him. The Charles new character is going to be added. PXG. Is that PSG? Charles, the new character, I don't really think is going to be a legendary mythic, but you can sign up yourself for a free lucky spin by clicking on the notify, okay? Click on the notify right now. Everybody notify up. Everybody notify up so you can actually get yourself a free lucky spin as well as an extra code. We will be getting an extra code if we are going to get enough signups. I mean, Blue Lock wants you to sign up right now, and if you do that, you'll be getting some free lucky spins and a extra code from the developers themselves. Let's actually go over to the codes, because you might already missed out on the last codes. Like the last codes are pretty simple. The new codes are being added by the developers, and if you didn't redeem any of these, you're missing out. You're missing out on some free lucky spins. The first code is going to be very simple. SAEX Shindao. SAEX Shindao. Redeem this code. Are we still on the summer update? I believe so. I actually believe so. Summer update. The next code is going to be IS HOES AGI ISAGI shoes. Isagi's shoes. Isagi shoes. Free lucky spins. Redeem every single one of these codes for some free lucky spins. And also, if you want Robux, I'm doing daily Robux giveaways on my channel. Comment a heart emoji in the comments down below to enter in. It's very simple, everybody can do it. Comment as many as you want, okay? Comment as many as you want. These heart emojis are free. The next code is goal. Goal. MET. So this is the next code, goal met. 3 lucky spins. This is the lowest amount of lucky spins that you'll be redeeming today, so this one gives you 3 lucky spins. For tomorrow, we do have the Charles. This is one of the codes that might be dropping tomorrow, the Charles code, whenever the developers actually redeem, like release the update. So this is one of the upcoming codes. 1.2 million Charles. So this could be 1.2 million, 1.5 million, 1.6 million, whatever the interested notify counter is at. Other than that, these are all the codes. Let me actually use my lucky spin, because I do have 1 lucky spin left, and we are aiming to get the master, okay? I'm not going to lie. I'm just gonna spin it away. Please give me the master right now. Come on. I got the same one 3 times in a row, 4 times in a row, 7 times in a row. What is this game? I keep getting this one. I don't want this one. I want a master, world class, mythic, anything else than legendary.